Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. Today I'm gonna grow escarole in a flower pot. In this 30 cm flower pot, I'm gonna place a layer of clay pebbles and compost. I'm gonna dig a hole in the center. Transfer the escarole seedling. And cover with hydrated coconut fiber. If you are enjoying my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And to finish, I'm gonna fertilize with liquid fertilizer. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later, bye!